Hello everyone. We are entering week 4 of quarter 4, and that means we're at the halfway point. Quarter 4 only has 8 weeks. So I wanted to take this time to make a quick review of items that we completed in week 1 through 3, as well as introduce you to what we are doing in week 4. All right, week 1, we introduced our big idea, coming of age. Assignment 2 and assignment 3 have to do with orientation. So the questionnaire is one of, I think, 4 items that are in assignment 2, but the questionnaire is the only one you need to turn in. It has 3 to 4 questions. I really need to know if you have Hulu, YouTube Television, which is a paid subscription. You don't have to have these, whether you have Netflix, whether you just have YouTube Basic, whatever you might have, Apple TV, because I'm hoping that part of your final is watching a movie. I need to know if you can access it. All right. So questionnaire, please turn it in. Number 3, the syllabus. You're just skimming and scanning through the syllabus. Type your name at the top and turn it in. Number 4 is a homophone practice. 5 is a journal. Number 6 is guided notes. The directions are in week 1. Please note that there is a part 1 and part 2 to assignment 6. You just need to turn in the guided notes. One of them is a video, one of them is guided notes. They do belong together, but you're only turning in the guided notes. Week 2, we introduced our unit 1 and defined coming of age. In our unit 1 introduction, you have some guided notes. I believe there's a quick write in there. Assignment 2, you're going to practice your vocabulary. You're going to read through some text-dependent questions, and then you're going to read a story. The video and the text are provided in assignment 2. And once again, you're going to have a homophone and a journal activity. Week 3. Unit 1 is continued. We begin to apply our understanding of coming of age to story pattern. We read Names Nombres for a second time, a short story by Julia Alvarez, and you completed text-dependent questions. You do need to turn in the text-dependent questions. Next, you took notes on coming of age story pattern and completed a brainstorm. There is a Google Doc to turn in. Finally, homophone practice and our journal. Because the homophone practice is important, the video that we've been using to define it also has an example of how to complete Mastery Check 1. Mastery Check 1 is assigned. So if you look at the top of our Google classwork, Mastery Checks are going to be at the very top. Final portfolio, part 1, homophone Google slide. There is an exemplar. There's a demonstration on how to complete it in a video. So please pay close attention to that, and you'll also have a template. You do need to choose your own homophones in order to complete that assignment. Week 4, Unit 1, we've closed it out. We've looked at what coming of age is, how it's defined. We've applied it to a story pattern. We've compared it to the short story Names Nombres, and now you're going to tell me about your coming of age moments. So Mastery Check 2, Final Portfolio, Part 2, Coming of Age Google Slide. Please make sure, I'm going to put both of these assignments under week 4 as well as keep them under Mastery Check. You don't have to do both of them. It just sometimes is easier for students to find in one of those 2 places. All right. This week, your homophone practice and your journal are extra credit, and I will put them at the bottom of the classwork page on our Google Classroom, and you can earn extra credit for those. Please work on your Mastery Checks first and do the journals and the homophone practice next, because the Google Slides are worth close to the same points. All right. Thank you.